today we're going to work on letter sounds. First, we're going to start with picture cards. I'm going to show you the picture, and I want you to tell me the sound you hear at the beginning of the word. What do you hear at the beginning of dog? D. Apron. What do you hear at the beginning of apron? A. Boy. B. Sink. S. Octopus. Ah. Fish. F. Quarter. Qu. Question. Qu. Purse. P. Quilt. Qu. Newspaper. N. Bike. B. Kite. K. Ape. A. Nail. N. Mouse. M. Great job. All right, now pause the video and find something to write with and write on. All right, now we're going to practice writing our letters. So I'm going to say the letter sound, and then I want you to write the letter. So if I said the sound write the letter that makes the sound. And show. You should have written the letter M. All right, next. Ah. What letter makes the ah sound? And show. You should have written the letter O. Next. T. T. Write the letter that makes the t sound. And show. You should have written the letter T. Okay, a couple more. Ah. What letter makes the ah sound? And show. You should have written the letter A. I. Write the letter that makes the I sound. And show. Should have written the letter I. What letter makes the sound? Show. You should have written the letter U. All right, now we're going to try to put some of these letter sounds together to write a word. Are you ready? We're going to write the word mop. 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 So we hear three sounds in the word mop. So make sure that your word has three letters. And show. You should have spelled mop, M-O-P. All right, let's try a couple more. The next word is top. T-op. Top. Write the word top. T-op. Again, I hear three sounds in the word top. T-op. So your word should have three letters. Ready to share? Should have written the word top. T-O-P. Great job.